Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to stop notification on your Android phone. So if you're using application, if you install lots of application, you got the notification every day or every minute, so you can stop it or you can disable the app notification on your Android phone. So guys, how to do that I will show in this video. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Android phone. So if you see here, I got the notification of from Gmail app. So you can stop notification from here also. Just tap on notification and hold for 1 second. So this option will become, so now you can just turn off notification, click on turn off notification, or maybe on your phone there is a different option, but you have to tap on hold for the 1 second, then you can turn off notification by click on it, and you can turn off all notification, or you will have the subcategory of notification, so you can turn off one by one. Okay, so now, okay, I did not turn off. So now if you don't have the notification here, if you want, you need to go in settings, go to the setting option, and from setting also you can turn off all notifications. So go to the, now you need to go to in the app, in notification or install it app, just tap on it, then you can see all app here. Okay, let it, okay, so you can see all app here, and you can stop all notification for all app by clicking on this notification, or you will, okay, just tap on it. Now just off from here. So I have off for Gmail notification, messenger notification, and all. Okay, so if you want to off notification for individual apps, so just go to the all app and just find the application. I just go to the messenger, and in notification you can, by default it is on, but you can off this notification. Okay, so that is how you can off app notification on Android phone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.